So how do fully automated trading bots help prevent losses? Well, first off, they minimize human errors. Automated trading bots reduce the risk of manual errors associated with order placement, such as a placing of a trade with the wrong size or the wrong price. And then reaction to news. Fully automated trading bots can instantly react to news and events by processing information and executing trades, which is especially valuable in volatile markets. And then elimination of emotional bias. Automated trading bots are not subject to emotions like fear or greed, which can lead to impulsive and irrational trading decisions. And then risk management. Fully automated trading bots employ risk management strategies such as setting stop losses and taking profit orders, trailing stops, and position sizing, all to protect capital and manage risk effectively. And then speed and efficiency. Fully automated trading bots execute strategies consistently based on predefined rules. They do not deviate from this set of parameters, ensuring that the trading plan is faithfully executed over time. And then diversification. Fully automated trading bots can trade across various crypto coins simultaneously, spreading risk and capital across a broad spectrum of opportunities. Now listen, while our fully automated trading bots are not perfect, they do come with their own set of limitations, but they offer numerous benefits that can significantly enhance a trader's performance and profitability.